instructor's guide, and then it had a whole bunch of instructor guide notes, and, oh well, there's a foundry for sale. Pattern making and founding, a manual on that, which I haven't even looked at. Metal smithing, introduction to cast metals industry. I think that's the same as the one before. Again, a whole bunch of whoever's handwritten notes. There's a bunch of spiders in this one too. But proposed sandblasting unit, Southern Colorado State College. That's probably a whole lot of nothing I want to read, but anyway. An elementary foundry manual, more notes. There you go, Metal Digest. Good. And then AFS Training and Research Institute course online. When was this made? Yeah. Let's see. I haven't looked at any of these, but online. That can't be because, well, maybe they videotaped it because this is 1973. I was not born then. Anyhow, I'm sure there's a whole lot of technical jargon and this, that, and the other, but oh, look at that. There's a whole lot of learning going on right there. Oh, I guess that's some note-taking pages. I don't think he was a profuse. Oh, yeah, well, he got all these other notes. Anyway, I got those, and check this out. I must have an affinity for these 99 lights, but, so it's all jacked up with some kind of tape on here. But the light works. I'll put an LED. They have an LED bulb like that, which is what I have in this other one over here. Much brighter. I don't know if you can tell from that far away, but anyhow. And it's on. Oh, Lord, that's it. Like an office chair wheelbase with a huge weight on the bottom of it, which was sloppy loose when I tightened up that bolt. And, anyhow, now I have one of these for my workbench. Good. Spent $2.50 on all those books and that light. So, yeah. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Just what I needed. Someone else's crap at my house. Anyway, thanks for watching, and maybe I'll give you a tour of the Machinist box and make a video out of this. Me ranting and raving a bit, and you get to see the Machinist box. That's what I meant to say first time. Anyhow, yeah. Where's my little shocker thing? Son of a bitch.
You guys are still here? Fine, I'll show you the dang Machinist toolbox. Chill out, hang on.
Flipping these lights are actually pretty quick because I've done plugging into AC power. Oh, and it turned off, right? And then you see these? That's DC power. Oh, look, it's on. So, yes, making YouTube videos is a lot more difficult than I first envisioned, but pretty much moving in this fucking garage is pretty much more difficult than anyone should. That son of a okay.
Alright, here's the Machinist toolbox. It's a Hoyot. Correct me on that pronunciation. I'm sure I nailed it. Nailed it. Anyhow, these are neodymium magnets. I just CA glued to the top of this. It would stay shut. Anyway. Let's see what we got here. We got micrometers. This is a Brown and Sharp 0 to 1. And I don't know what this one is. It says Poland 2 to 3. And a checker. A dauber. Let's see what else we got here. Do some better lighting on this puppy. So this is a, I think these are both sterets, I believe. Yeah, sterret. And these I got with the lathe. There's the Chuck. Hey Chuck, what's up? That catch-all disaster I got going on over there. This is another sterret. Anyhow, another mic, the Miyotoyo digital calipers, and then some Fowler. That's usually, I just use these to scribe mostly, and it's got the fine adjustment right here, which is actually really cool. This was my grandfather's old level. What's in here? Oh, that's a depth mic, I believe, and that's a sterret. Again, I got that with the lathe in the mill. All of this is new tooling for the lathe. Quick change tool post. I got no idea what's in here. I think it's a. That's to set the depth of the height of the tool on the lathe. And this is to get the tailstock all lined up. And that's a high-speed steel. Boring bars. I know, very boring. What's this? Yep. Stuff there, and that's an aluminum. Same thing as this. Starrett, only in aluminum. This is Starrett. This is Snap-on. That's probably Snap-on. These are kind of cool, the spring ones. Set that on there, you pull the back off, and it, bing! They work very well because you can get real accurate with them. 1, 2, 3 blocks, some reamers, a little deburring tool, another reamer, angle finder, one of those doodads. Never used it. Machinist square, angle. This is kind of a cool. It goes in 32nds, 64s, 16ths, and 8ths. Kind of a neat little layout ruler. Oh yeah. So this is Kratex rod for engine turning or jeweling. Just the little round circles. You just cool effect on like the bolts of guns or something like that. File drawer. Yeah, here's the diamond grit file, the round one I was using on the filing work, and then there's a half. Yeah, that's a half round, flat and square. Checkering file. It's hard to tell, but anyhow, these will make straight grooves for like your thumb notches and stuff. Just an abrasive file, some chainsaw files, more files, and guess what else is in here? Files. Axe file, card, some needle files. I was using these as well. A whole bunch of other different files. Screwdriver handles for file handles work well. These are all Hibillus files. These are really nice files. Got round, triangle, squares. There's a rasp, a couple of rounds. These are little files here. I just got this one, and it's a Nicholson. So it's got teeth, fine teeth on this side, and it's smooth on the back side. Anyway, and then the Riffler file with an interchangeable handle and all different shapes and whatnot in there, and then Riffler files, double-ended. There we go. Oh, we got taps and the corresponding bits for the tap sets, so you don't have to go hunting down or getting a sure. Alright, this is a really nice set. These are all wire gauge or numbered bits, and these are all crowd treated. There's a Hoyut. Same people that made the toolbox make most all drill indexes. Hoyut. Anyway, this side's all numbered, or here's the numbered rather up top. And then you've got the lettered bits in there. Then you've got your fractional bits in there. It's a very nice set. I don't use that one that often, unless it's a super hard something or other. This is an 1.5" twist drill, and I use that to bore out the DOM on the ends of my 4-link for the Jeep, because it's 2-inch DOM, half wall, and I needed it 1.5 inches to put the swedges in for the big heim joints. So I had to drill them out so I could put the swedges in, weld them, the thread parts anyhow. Some step bits, set of Snap-on, drill index. Oh, these are very cool. So SA and USS, coarse and fine thread. And so I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, there you go. So it's a drill bit and thread. So basically it's drill and tap all in one process. You just drill, and you can run these in a drill and tap them, and then back them back out, and you've got, bam, hole drilled and tapped, one process. Very cool. And yeah, I do not have the metric ones, but I do have those. Anyway, oh yeah, so this fat square, check this out. Look how wide that is for layout, and it's aluminum. Love this thing. Very nice. Go back in there. I'll just leave these out. Here's the drill index. 3-drawer from 16th to half. And a bunch of random stuff back here. Anyway, here's some dial indicators. Oh, there's a digital. The battery is working. Angle gauge digital. And this, it'll clamp, this angle gauge will clamp into here. And then that, you can clamp onto a round roll bar tube when you're whipping up a roll cage. Gives you the right angles. The angle to the dangle is always important. Or so they say. Some V-blocks. What's that? Brake mic. More fixturing for those. Mag base. Let's see. These are add-ons for a mag chuck for the surface grinder. These are all hard discs and the hub for the surface grinder. There's a slitting diamond blade. So the surface grinder has 1.25 inch arbor bore in it. And yeah, the wrenches, there's a diamond tip for dressing the stones. And then this is a Miotoyo Hardmatic. Whatever. Anyway, this is the hardness tester. And it's a handheld unit. It's all digital. This is the test block for it. Yeah, I'd rather have one of the, the big machines that you see a lot of these knife makers have, the Rockwell C. This measures in, well, it converts into all kinds of different hardness measurements, Brunel and Rockwell C, B. I don't know all of them, but anyway, that's what I got for now. And then I just got a kind of a catch-all type of some sandpaper, some DAs, air riveter. This is all welding consumables and stuff. If you look down in the bottom of all these drawers, this is leather. Let's see here. So I lined out all the drawers with leather because I have a whole ton of leather, and this is also leather. But and it seems to work pretty well so far, anyhow. So yeah, that's the Machinist box and the catch-all that once I get around to it, we'll take this apart, clean it, paint it, and I'll have a nice Logan lathe. Yeah, yep. And then behind the Machinist box, height gauge, and a stand ridge. I think it's 4 by 18 by 24. One moment. Ta-da! Balanced mill. See y'all later.